We're on our way home from Sirentorn Dam. We spent a couple of days there, went around to some pretty cool places. Videos will probably be already posted by the time you see this. So on the way home, we decided we're going to stop at the Million Bottle Temple #1 and share that. Last year, we went to Million Bottle Temple #2. So this is the entrance area to it. See all the bottles that are used on all of this. Got the Naga at the entrance. See all the various types of bottles that are put in place. Yeah, at first sight, this is a bigger temple than the other one. Yeah, even inside, all the bottles that are used. Hello, Jai.
The new building.
So we're going to figure out which building. Apparently one of the buildings here fell down in April, and they built a new one. So we'll figure that out. It's quite warm out here this afternoon. This one doesn't have one of the offering bowls. The bell tower. M. You see the bottles on the ground that they've collected more and more. This building here is a new one. Yeah, because they're still doing bottles on it. So you can see they did the brick structure first. And then they come back and put the bottles over it. And imagine how long it takes them to collect all these Leo and Chang beers, all the different bottles that they use in these. So since April, they've done all this. That's pretty impressive. This building fell down. Down that end down there, they're also still putting bottles on. So after they get the outside done, they still got to go inside and redo all that. The restroom facilities here. So this one here as well. We had to redo this building also. You can see the roof is still not done, and a lot of the side is still not done. Wow, that's beautiful in there. Got ponds all around this one. Even though this is the oldest one, it looks better than the other one. And there's the furnace building where they crematorium, I guess you would call it, where they cremate. I see the fire door on the front of it. There's more home noms back there.
Beautiful, baby.
Yeah, this is even nicer than the other one, even though this is the newest one. I mean, the oldest one. They're having to redo a lot of it. Go on, I can tell it's all round. Yeah. Makes you wonder, do the ashes come down here? This is where the monks live back here. Even these are all bottles. So this one here, the restrooms are all new. They're just started on the process of doing bottles here. So this, like all the temples, as they get donations, it has to be invested back into the temple. So that's why you see the new constructions going on. Oh yeah? They speak English too.
Yeah.
They have aeration units out there. They turn those on and it spins and aerates the water. Well, I guess we'll have to at least take a look inside this one. That's a new one there too. At least they're redoing all the bottles and stuff on it. Doesn't have anything on the roof yet. Those of you who can read this will know what this monk is all about. I wanted to get doors like this done at our house, but we couldn't find anybody that could do it. See some catfish poking their heads up. Oh. They got a reclining Buddha inside here, and it's done with bottles as well. Now they have the zodiacs here. Okay, we hope everybody enjoyed coming along with us here today. We're at the Million Bottle Temple in
Kunhan district, Sisaket province, Thailand. They call Wat Lan Khwat in Thai.
Okay, we hope you enjoyed this content. If so, please reach down to the bottom and mash the like and subscribe. We appreciate it. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps our channel. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going.
Out.
We're out.